Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add a PayPal to your Wix account. So let's say that you are providing services, you are offering menus, or you are in charge of a restaurant, or selling skis as I am doing on this website, and you want to implement PayPal into your system. It's not that complicated, so stick up me and I'll show you how it's done. First things first, obviously we have to log in into wix.com. This is our workspace. We have a couple of sites that I've created tutorials for going already, and there is the one in particular that we want to implement PayPal to because we are selling skis and we want to offer our customers this option. So it's this one, obviously, as you probably thought, with the big skis in the template of this website. So we are going to select and edit site. So it will take us into our workspace. So we can set up a payment method, but this we'll get to in a moment. And then we have edit site, and we're gonna click on edit this site. So it will obviously take a few moments to boot up, and we're here. So what to do now? How we can let our potential buyers know that we are accepting PayPal payments, or if you are in charge of some kind of little startup or you are doing something for people and you don't really have an actual knowledge of how much you want to charge for the product, and you really want to only function on not really subscription but gifts, you can do it as well here. So what we have to do is focus on this left sidebar of our screen, and this option of 4 squares is add apps. It's fifth from the top, so let's click on add apps and search for apps, and I'm going to go with PayPal and hit enter. In here we have PayPal button. We have Wix stores, Visita online payments, buy it now. We have couple of options, and well, better to say tons of options. And it's hard to pick only one, but all of them, for example, are for more types of payments, and we are only interested in the PayPal one. So some of them are free to install, some of them you have to be part of the subscription base at Wix, but I want to go with the first one, PayPal button. I click there and click add to site, and obviously you have to agree and add, and all of a sudden you have your own PayPal button. I'm gonna put it in here. I already created a new page for it, and we can toy around with it. Obviously, you can upgrade the plan of a Wix, but I'll get that into a moment. But the settings option is very, very important. So you can go by a template: one-time purchase, donation, or subscription. If you want to provide subscription, for example, if you're running a blog or creating a newsletters and you really want people to donate to your website, you have to be part of PayPal Business, Premier, or Merchant account to use this feature. Don't worry, it's not that expensive, but it's very well worth it if people can easily subscribe to. Don't worry, it will come back to you. But we are going with one-time purchase, so it will be buy now. Obviously, it can be donate. As you can see, it's instantly changing. But let's say buy now, and the people can just buy our skis or donate to get better. So you can connect the payment account. We will do that in the moment, don't worry. Payment notification, autoresponder email. You can edit autoresponder and customize autoresponder email. By that, if someone donates, they will automatically get notification, or they will automatically get an email from you like, thank you very much for your support, I really appreciate it, and just like that. Redirect after payment and Google Tag Manager. We have a product, so there's a button text, there's this text, donation name, payment method. It can be flexible, obviously. US dollar, we can go with euros if we want to. So second euro, and donation amount, default quantities, Alberto Jokes quantity, yada yada yada. No, really. Then design. So this is basically the most well-known one that you can use for PayPal. It has that original bluish color with white lettering, and also other apps. If you just want to add more to confuse your visitors, you can add like 10 of them. But okay, we have the button. What now? We have to go back into our website editor, or go to site and, for example, save and continue, yada yada yada. But let's go back and go to settings. In here, as you can see, we have accept payments, and there's a little exclamation mark. And we have Stripe and PayPal. So we are going to connect the PayPal option. Obviously, just for the show, I don't really want to leak you my account information. All you have to do is just enter your email address. That will get automatically connected to your PayPal account. You can also do it like this. Go to settings, as I said before, and connect payment account. As you can see, PayPal is confirmed, done. And yeah, just you can, if this is turned off for you, you'll have to have it turned on. And then just address your email address into, for example, okay, I'm gonna go with like this, connect, security challenge, bus is okay, like this, okay-ish, okay, country of region, Slovakia, and here we need a password and confirm password to set up your account, and that's your part to do. Don't get me wrong, I don't really want to leak anything by any mistake, or I'll write down some kind of password out of muscle memory, and yeah, you know, you get me. And just like after those steps, you'll be able to connect the PayPal, I promise you that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. If you have any questions, please write them down underneath this video, and I'll try to answer you as quickly as I can. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.